Fire marshals continue their search for what caused a roaring brush fire yesterday. That fire destroyed a home and threatened several others in Parkland.
Amid the investigation, fire agencies across the region are worried the dry weather conditions for the next several days could put more communities at risk. Fox 13's Frankie Thompson joins us from the aftermath of the fire with more. Frankie?
And the brush fire started right here in this neighborhood in Parkland. Behind me, you can see about 2 acres of land and that tree now scorched after going up in flames yesterday afternoon. But the fire did not stop here. Officials say it crossed that fence over the road and up the hill, taking out an entire home. On top of the hill, a beautiful home in Parkland burned down to its shell.
Wow, the view is different too. It's a devastating view right now.
The rental house torched by a destructive brush fire Tuesday afternoon. Pierce County Sheriff's Office says the renters escaped unharmed. Their neighbors, too shaken up to go on camera, were on the other side of Brookdale Road, where officials say the fire started.
The end of our cul-de-sac was burning. Everything was on fire. You could feel the heat. A few of us grabbed hoses, was trying to bang on the neighbors' doors to get them to come out.
Central Pierce Fire and Rescue says the high winds pushed the flames to the other side of the road, blazing all the way up the hill, destroying the house and everything in the fire's path. Battalion Chief Ray Escobedo says this is the devastating result of hot, dry, and windy weather conditions.
Once the conditions are dry and the wind is there, it just takes a little spark.
It burned so fast. I mean, the trees were just catching, and then they got it under control, and then it would come back because of the wind, and so it was a back and forth.
The cause of the fire is under investigation. With the hot, dry, and windy conditions lingering for the next several days, Escobedo says his team worries this may not be their last brush fire in the city.
It's always a concern. We have a high-density population that is always under threat when we have this type of weather.
A concern for fire agencies across the region. Escobedo says his team is monitoring the humidity and wind levels, standing by for the risk of another big fire. But he's urging the public to help them reduce the threat by obeying the active burn ban.
Please just think about the consequences of where you're at. If the conditions say 1 to 2 miles per hour or 1 to 7 with gusts of 19, that's just concerning to us, especially in the afternoon times when the winds do kick up.
The current burn ban in Pierce County says the use of fire pits and barbecue grills is okay. The clearing of land or burning of any debris or yard waste is not allowed. Reporting in Parkland, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.